Don't take them. Come on, Debbie.
It's okay.
Debbie.
It's okay. It's just, I don't care.
He tends to try and put it down.
Hmm.
Come on, go.
Hey. Hallo. Und zeig mal deine schönen Augen. Das ist so schöne Augen. Das ist so schöne Augen. Hm?
Where are you going? Hey, Debbie. No.
She's an absolute sweetheart.
She is. It's just the position of the legs.
I know.
Very, very strange.
Well, we're thinking of trying to get probably X-rayed and see.
I mean, I'm prepared to pay for any treatment for her, if she needs any treatment.
This actual paw is that's the opposite way round.
Can you
Sorry,
just...
Steve.
Sorry.
No, I just want to show it from close.
Come on, stand up.
It's okay, actually.
Debbie. It looks like it's the opposite way around, the paw.
It looks...
It's been set the wrong way around. Or it's been set and